Nose blackhead removal complete. Deep pore unclogging. Healthy pores are supposed to flow naturally. Oil moves to the surface, the skin renews itself, and the pores stay balanced. But when congestion blocks that process, everything becomes trapped beneath the surface. Today's treatment focuses on nose blackhead removal, with a complete deep pore unclogging transformation, a process designed to clear blocked pores completely and restore smoother skin texture. What happens inside a clogged pore? When excess oil mixes with dead skin and debris, the pore slowly becomes blocked. As the buildup hardens, air reaches the surface and oxidizes the material, turning it into a blackhead. Over time, the blockage becomes deeper and more compact. Why deep pore unclogging matters? Surface cleansing only removes oil from the outer layer of the skin, but deep congestion stays trapped inside the pores. That trapped buildup causes rough texture, enlarged pores, visible congestion. Step 1. Cleansing the surface. We begin with a deep cleanse to remove excess oil and prep the skin for extraction. Step 2. Softening the blockage. Warm steam is applied to soften compact buildup trapped inside the pores. This prepares the skin for a smoother unclogging process. Step 3. Beginning the unclogging process. The first pores are carefully extracted. As pressure is applied, the trapped blackheads begin releasing from deep inside the skin. Step 4. Complete deep pore clearing. Now the deeper congestion becomes visible. Several pores release thick compact buildup that had completely blocked the pore opening. The nose texture begins transforming as the congestion clears. Step 5. Skin texture reset. Once the pores are fully cleared, the skin surface appears noticeably smoother. The pores look cleaner, less congested, more refined. Step 6. Recovery cooling treatment. A soothing treatment is applied to calm the skin after extraction and reduce redness. Final results: before, fully clogged pores and deep congestion; after, cleaner pores and smoother looking skin, a complete deep pore unclogging transformation. Final message: when the pores are finally unclogged, the skin doesn't just look cleaner, it looks completely refreshed. If you enjoyed this complete deep pore unclogging transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more satisfying skincare videos.